Tired of seeing more scalp than hair? You're not alone. That shower drain is a familiar sight for many. But what if the secret to robust hair isn't just what you put on your head? Say hello to Profolan, a revolutionary solution that addresses hair loss from the inside out. With its powerful Grow3 formula, packed with natural ingredients like field horsetail and nettle, Profolan strengthens your hair from the follicle while tackling DHT, the pesky hormone linked to hair loss. Clinical studies show 9 out of 10 men experienced amazing results, less shedding and heightened confidence. Just 2 capsules a day could have you seeing improvements in as little as 3 months. Ready to reclaim your hair and boost your confidence? Profolan could be your game changer.
Thank you for watching. For a more in-depth review of the product, click the link in the description below to visit the official website.